Hey, just wanted to let you know that Mike Giddich from MDG Maintenance in Cleveland area reached out to me. He has been a member of the Signature Operating Manual system and the all access version, and he's been doing a phenomenal job. But that's not the reason he reached out to me. He reached out to me because he wanted to speak to what he's been seeing as a growing trend on Facebook and other places. Thought that I could just go get manuals by asking AI, ChatGPT, or whatever artificial intelligence versus what is in and what Al Levy operating manual program is all about. So, Mike, why don't you share a little bit what you wanted to speak to your fellow contractors about?
I just really felt strongly about reaching out as this AI and ChatGPT rolls out. I was using it as a personal assistant the other day and to help clean up some of our processes and procedures. But I just really had a strong thought on people trying to do this on their own, as Matt and I tried to do, as you know, write our own process and procedures, picking from the internet and implementing them and trying to implement them. I use the word implement loosely there, and it does not work. It's a great personal assistant. The technology is amazing. I love it. It has its place, but I don't want people to waste a bunch of time thinking, oh, look how clean this wrote me this manual and this system, and go to any of these conferences, get to hear parts of what they think you're saying, and then try to put all that together with the CSRs, the dispatchers, all the different positions between the field supervisors, and you're going to try to push all that together and push it out, and it'll be exactly what we did. We have pushed it out. Now, I didn't have ChatGPT when we did that, but same thing, the internet was plenty prevalent. We just had to dig a little deeper, and it just doesn't work. There's no replacing what you guys do at Power of Seven. There's no replacing your experience and your foundation that you've spent years mastering and building. And there's just no replacing the whole process and the org charts and how it all flows, the rollout questions we had, all of it, the whole process that you've spent all these years building. There's no replacing that, and you're going to waste a lot of time trying to think that you're saving a few bucks, and all you're going to do is cost yourself a lot more headaches, a lot more money, and the guys will not be happy. I tried it my own way. It doesn't work. Hiring a professional and hiring someone who actually has been there and done it and real world experience in a time period that was much different than now, and trying to get guys to follow rules. You really lived a difficult time in that. The experience is just amazing with you guys, and it's worth every penny, and it's worth to not try to do it on your own. And I know it looks appealing to do that. I promise them it's not worth it. So that's why I wanted to reach out to you to really ensure that people know that use it in its due time and place, that you guys provide a value that's unmatched. The manuals and everything that you have will pay for themselves. You don't have to worry about the money. The money's just a short upfront cost.
Thanks, Mike. I appreciate that. Yeah, people will think that technology is something that I'm not about. We're always about technology. And if I thought it helped contractors, I'd be all in favor. I think it's a good tool in a toolbox. But what I've always stressed is a tool in a technician's toolbox is only if they know how and when to use it. And the way you describe AI, ChatGPT, is being able to go like an executive assistant and pull an extra piece around, but it isn't the whole thing. You did a great job of explaining that. I know that you really fervently wanted to share this. So thank you for taking the time today.
Thank you for having me. As always, like I said, there's no replacing what you guys do. It's a no-brainer, and I appreciate you. All of our staff appreciates you, and they want me to get more manuals and more processes in places we roll out. It's crazy. I would have never thought that to be a reality when we talked about that in the beginning. So
sounds great. Thanks again.
All right. Thank you, Al.